10 campsite business ideas you can start today with startup costs. What if the land around you could make you money every single month? Today, I'm breaking down 10 campsite business ideas with exact startup costs, so you know exactly what it takes to begin. Let's get into it. 1. Tent camping site. This is the simplest place to start. You set up a piece of land with basic amenities, a flat area for tents, a fire pit, a simple toilet, and clean water access. You charge people per night to camp there. People are tired of expensive hotels. They want fresh air, nature, and something different. A basic tent camping spot gives them exactly that. Startup cost $2,000 to $8,000. This covers land clearing, portable toilets, basic lighting, and a simple booking setup. You can charge $15 to $40 per night per tent. With just 5 tents booked every weekend, you're already making $600 to $800 a month on the low end. 2. Glamping. Glamorous camping. Glamping is camping but with style. Think safari tents, wooden platforms, fairy lights, real beds, and maybe a small outdoor shower. People pay premium prices for the outdoor experience without sacrificing comfort. This market is exploding. Young professionals, couples, and families are all looking for unique weekend experiences. Glamping gives them Instagram-worthy moments and comfort. Startup cost $15,000 to $50,000. Costs go into luxury tents or cabins, furniture, electricity setup, and decorations. You can charge $100 to $300 per night per unit. With just 3 units and 60% occupancy per month, you're looking at $5,400 to $16,200 per month. 3. Recreational vehicle, park caravan. Sight millions of people travel with their own RVs and caravans, and they need somewhere to park, plug in, and rest. An RV park simply provides those hookups: electricity, water, and sewage connections. You don't build accommodation. The guests bring their own. You just provide the space and utilities. Low overhead, steady income. Startup cost $20,000 to $80,000. The main costs are land grading, electrical hookup installation, water and sewer connections, and a gate or entrance setup. You can charge $30 to $60 per night per spot. With 10 spots and regular weekend travelers, this becomes a very reliable income stream. 4. Campsite plus farm experience. Combine a campsite with a working farm. Guests camp on your property and get to feed animals, pick vegetables, collect eggs, and learn about farming. Families with children absolutely love this. This is called agri-tourism, and it is growing fast. City people are hungry literally and emotionally for real grounded experiences. Startup cost $10,000 to $30,000. Land preparation, a few farm animals, fencing, simple camping setups, and activity materials. Charge for the stay and for farm activity packages. You can earn $80 to $200 per family per visit. Groups, school trips, and weekend bookings keep you busy year-round. 5. Fishing camp. If your land is near a river, lake, or pond, a fishing camp is a gold mine. Set up tents or small cabins near the water. Provide fishing rods, bait, and a guide if needed. Let people fish all day and sleep under the stars at night. Fishing tourism is a billion-dollar industry. Men especially love fishing retreats, birthdays, bachelor parties, corporate retreats. You become their destination. Startup cost $5,000 to $25,000. Costs go into fishing equipment, boat rentals, campsite setup, and safety gear. A 2-day fishing package can sell for $150 to $400 per person. Bring in 10 guests a weekend and you're generating serious money. 6. Adventure camp. For kids, parents are always looking for enriching summer activities for their children. A kids' adventure camp teaches skills like hiking, team building, fire safety, first aid, and outdoor survival, all in a fun, safe setting. This business is seasonal, but extremely profitable. Many parents pay months in advance just to secure a spot. Startup cost $8,000 to $30,000. You'll invest in safety equipment, activity stations, trained staff, insurance, and marketing materials. Charge $200 to $600 per child per week. With 20 kids per session and 8 sessions per summer, the numbers speak for themselves. 7 Yoga and Wellness Retreat Camps at Health is wealth, and people are spending serious money on wellness. A yoga retreat campsite combines nature, meditation, yoga sessions, healthy meals, and peaceful sleep under the stars. Your guests are stressed professionals, burnt-out workers, and spiritual seekers. They are willing to pay a lot for peace and restoration. Startup cost $15,000 to $40,000. Outdoor yoga platform, wellness tent or structure, qualified yoga instructor, organic meal setup, and nature trail development. Weekend retreats can sell for $300 to $800 per person. A group of 15 people per retreat weekend generates $4,500 to $12,000 every time you host one. 8 outdoor wedding and event campsite couples are moving away from expensive ballrooms. They want unique, beautiful, outdoor weddings surrounded by trees, open skies, and nature. If your land is beautiful, you can rent it out for weddings, corporate events, and private parties. You don't need to plan the event, just provide the space, basic infrastructure, and atmosphere. Startup costs $20,000 to $60,000. Investment goes into scenic landscaping, outdoor lighting, a simple stage or altar structure, portable restrooms, and parking. One wedding booking alone can bring $3,000 to $15,000 depending on your location and setup quality. Just 4 bookings per month changes your financial life. 9 survival skills training camp people. Want to know how to survive when things go wrong? Bushcraft, fire starting, shelter building, foraging, navigation. These are skills people pay to learn in a real outdoor setting. This business attracts a very loyal audience: preppers, military enthusiasts, scouts, adventure lovers, and corporate teams looking for team-building experiences. Startup cost $5,000 to $20,000. Invest in tools, training materials, obstacle course setup, instructor certification, and safety gear. Weekend survival courses can go for $200 to $500 per person. Corporate group bookings often pay $2,000 to $8,000 for a single-day experience. 10 campsite, plus content creator, retreat. This is the most modern idea on this list. Content creators, YouTubers, podcasters, photographers, bloggers need beautiful natural settings to film and create. Offer them a campsite specifically designed for content creation. Scenic backdrops, good natural lighting zones, fire pits, and reliable internet or charging stations. You can also host creator retreats, where groups of influencers come together for a weekend of collaboration. Startup costs $10,000 to $35,000. Scenic. Setup, power, access, lighting-friendly zones, comfortable workspaces, and fast Wi-Fi if possible. Charge $150 to $400 per creator per night, or $2,000 to $8,000 for a full group retreat. As the creator economy grows, this niche grows with it. Final thought. There it is, 10 real campsite business ideas with real startup costs. The land exists. The demand exists. The only question is whether you're going to act. Pick one idea, start small, and build from there. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe. More business ideas are coming every week. See you in the next one.